G'day everyone, welcome back to Pete's Investing. It's January 4, 2024. This is the nat gas commodity price update. We're also looking at the other ETFs and shares for natural gas. And here's the commodity price. We're looking at the weekly, daily and hourly. And as always on the weekly first, the CCI 400 is pretty much trending sideways, although it's broken below its moving average. The CCI 150 is also trekking in line with the price, which is what it normally should do, with the exception of divergence, and that's what it's done back there. There was a bearish divergence and it fell off twice. Again, I'm repeating this for those new to the channel. Here we've got the CCI 150 on the daily, and you can see there we've just, again, tracking with the price, with the exception of that divergence back there in October, the bearish divergence, and the CCI 400 is also approaching its moving average, so showing some bullish signs, although nothing too dramatic yet. We need to see it break higher and these moving averages to turn a lot higher like they were back here. On the hourly, we did have this bearish flag forming, and it's still forming. Now we did have a couple of bullish divergences back here. You can see there it retraced, and these retraces, these divergences usually are retraces, they're not full scale reversals. You can see there it's retraced a few times and hit our targets, and more recently now we've got this flag forming, and we've also got this bearish divergence on the CCI 150. And this bearish flag, it is a bearish flag. Typically they form this way and then they break to the downside, and that's why I've got this arrow showing. But as well, it adds credence to that with this bearish divergence on the CCI, and this may well break to the downside in the coming hours possibly, so I'll keep an eye on that. So that was natural gas. And next we'll go to the ProShares Ultra DJ UBS natural gas, which is BOIL ticker. Again, that's got a bullish momentum on the weekly, bullish on the daily, and also on the hourly. You can see there it's got a similar flag forming, and it's already hit our smaller, you can see there overnight it's hit our smaller target, which we drew yesterday in that 23-38% level. But if we draw this Fibonacci out to those highs, that's the secondary level. So it may not hit that level, but we'll see how it goes in coming hours. But at the moment, there's no divergence on this one to talk of. It's still a bullish movement on the CCI. So again, we'll keep an eye on that. But again, as part of the flag, a normal movement goes, that should probably break to the downside. Next, we've got United States Natural Gas Fund, which is the ticker UNG. Again, first off on the weekly, it's in a bearish momentum. On the daily, it's somewhat, I suppose, neutral, starting to break to the positive. It's breaking above its moving averages there, which is a positive. And there's no sign of divergence. The CCI 150 divergence indicator is also moving higher in line with the price. And on the hourly there, you can see there it's also formed another flag. There's no bearish sign on the CCI. And according to the bearish flag rules, this should probably break to the downside possibly. So again, we'll keep an eye on that. Had a nice big bullish candle after yesterday's video, breaking to the upside. So again, we'll keep an eye on that before we rule out a bearish movement. And lastly, we'll look at ProShares Ultra Short Bloomberg, which is the KOLD ticker. You can see there it's, again, the weekly is trending sideways. The daily is bullish, although it's coming down and threatening to break to the downside below its moving averages. Again, the CCI 150 is showing no sign of divergence. And on the hourly, that's a bullish flag, the opposite obviously, as opposed to the other charts. And we also had a bearish divergence here, which looks like it's played out, hit our target, and the CCI 150 is still trending downwards. So no sign yet of a retrace to the upside. So that's where we are on all those shares and ETFs and instruments. If you got value out of the video, hit that like and subscribe button, hit that notification bell. Thanks for watching, and see you in a future video.